Alix, and I'm one of our senior researchers at EnergySage, here to talk to you about interest rates and how they can impact your choice to go solar. In this video, we'll walk through all of the reasons why today's higher interest rates aren't something to be afraid of if you're thinking about installing solar panels. Like many other homeowners, you may be feeling wary about making an expensive investment like solar. With interest rates at 2-decade highs, it's understandable why people feel that way. So let's talk about why installing solar panels is still a worthwhile investment regardless of the current interest rate environment. As consumers and homeowners alike, we've all become accustomed to low interest rates over the past few decades, especially since the pandemic. But today's rates, which are hovering between 5 and 6%, are still historically low, and the reality is that they're unlikely to drop or change significantly over the next year. Here's an example that clearly shows why going solar is a smart decision regardless of rates. Let's say you want to buy a new car. A car is a depreciating asset. It loses value over time, and eventually you have to replace it with a new one, spending tens of thousands of dollars all over again. But a solar energy system is a resource that doesn't depreciate over the years, and you won't have to replace it for 30 years. It also completely eliminates your electric bill right away, but a car gives you a new bill. So you can see why buying solar panels can often make more sense than buying a car. Something else that's important to remember is that just as trying to time the stock market isn't a good idea, trying to time interest rate cuts isn't a smart strategy either. Whether rates will go up or down is never set in stone. A lot of unpredictable economic factors like inflation and the strength of the job market influence what will happen. That's why it doesn't make sense to hold off on investing in solar in the hopes that rates might go down. We just never know what's going to happen. So don't let higher interest rates stop you from going solar. Even though rates are higher today than they were a few years ago, we can see from today's example why installing solar is still a solid investment that will start saving you money right away. If you want to learn more about the ways that going solar can save you money, you can check out our articles on EnergySage.com for more financial insights. Again, I'm Alix, one of our senior researchers, and thanks for watching.